why she comes back after you give her distance. The psychological triggers that force a return. When you provide distance, especially during a hard red light or a blackout phase, you are not just not talking to her, you are fundamentally changing the emotional way she perceives your value. She comes back because your silence creates a psychological vacuum that her mind rushes to fill. How specific phases drive her back, using the framework. To understand why this works, we must look at how the hard red light and blackout phase manipulate the emotional dynamic. The hard red light effect, relief and curiosity. When she pulls away, your decision to step back instead of chasing provides her with immediate relief from pressure. By not forcing contact, you remove the suffocation that often happens when one person chases too hard. This lack of pressure causes a shift in her mind. She becomes curious about your calm reaction. She wonders why you aren't fighting for her attention, which makes her question if she still has full emotional control over the situation. The blackout phase effect, self-respect and mystery. During a breakup or major conflict, your silence during the blackout phase communicates self-respect and emotional stability. Most people react by begging or arguing, but your way staying silent and focusing on yourself is unexpected. Because your reaction is different from the typical person who chases, it triggers an intense sense of curiosity and mystery. She begins to wonder if she has lost you, which naturally drives her to reach out to re-establish the connection. A step-by-step guide to using distance effectively. If you want her to return, do not just stop talking, follow this strategic path. Step 1. Identify the withdrawal. Recognize if she is in a hard red light, such as asking for space, or being cold, or a blackout phase, such as a breakup or major conflict. Step 2. The calm response. When she pulls away, respond with dignified acceptance. If she says, "I need space," say, "All right, take the time you need. Do not argue or beg." Step 3. Focus on self-growth. During this period of silence, do not monitor her social media or wait by the phone. Instead, focus entirely on your own life and personal growth to ensure your independence is real and not just a tactic. Step 4. Differentiate effort from tests. When she finally reaches out, do not rush back immediately. If she sends a low-investment message like "hey" or a meme, treat it as a probe to see if you are still available. Respond calmly and briefly. Only return to full intensity when she shows vulnerability, such as saying, "I miss talking to you," or "I am sorry." The biggest mistake, the chase reflex. The absolute biggest mistake people make is reacting emotionally by chasing during a period of withdrawal. When she pulls away, your instinct is to increase your effort, such as sending long messages asking what's wrong, or begging for attention. This actually reduces attraction because it signals that you are losing your emotional balance and that she has all the power. Personal advice and rules for mastery. My best personal advice: master your own emotions before trying to master hers. If you can stay calm while she is being cold, you have already won the psychological battle. Your stability is your greatest aphrodisiac. The simple rule to remember: silence is a loud message. If you want her to feel your presence, you must first allow her to feel your absence. The key truth: you cannot chase someone into loving you. You can only create the space that allows them to choose or miss you. The golden rule: respond to effort, not just contact. If she touches your life with a small test, respond with calm interest. If she touches it with genuine effort, respond with warmth. The simple formula for reconnection: distance plus calmness equals curiosity, which leads to reconnection. Thank you for using the ultimate edition of LoveMap. Make sure to like and subscribe to our LoveMap YouTube channel so you will know about the latest updates on this powerful AI model.